In this tutorial, you will learn how to importing existing customers and issuing loyalty digital cards to customers. Once you have successfully logged in, proceed to the menu located on the left-hand side. Click on the customer's icon from the list of modules. Consequently, you will be directed to the customer base section. Please scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the customer import section. Download the import template available here to conveniently fill in your customer's data for importing, or use it as a reference to format your existing database for a seamless customer import process. If you have the full name field in your customer database, you can easily download a template that includes an additional column specifically for the full name that can be downloaded in the description below. Once your database is properly formatted, you can effortlessly import it by clicking on the Import button. To upload the file, simply click on the Select File button. Please choose the desired file and then simply click on the Import button. Please note that it is imperative to complete all mandatory fields that have been marked as required or unique when importing your customer's data. Failure to do so will result in a server error notification. After importing the customers, you will instantly find them displayed on the dashboard. Select the customers that you desire to connect with a loyalty program. In our scenario, we will gather all the customers we imported and associate them with a single card. Click on the Actions button. We have a few options available: Add customers, delete customers, and card issue. Let's select a card issue from the drop-down list. Select the loyalty card with which to associate your customers. Next, simply click on the Submit button. To verify if the card was issued to a customer, click the customer name and you will be directed to the Customer Profile section. In the Customer Cards section, you will discover the cards that have been issued to a customer, along with comprehensive transactional data and vital installation information of each card. As we can observe, the card has not been installed. Our next step is to share the link with the customer, enabling them to successfully install the card. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Stay motivated, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting features and strategies to level up your business. Take care and see you soon.